Ever notice how some commercials online feel off? That's because they are. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. As AI makes it cheap and easy to churn out ads, we're entering a world where fake people in unreal homes are smiling at you from your screen and it's creeping viewers out. AI ads never miss a cue, never complain about lighting, and can be swapped for any actor in any market in seconds. For marketers, that sounds like a dream of endless content at near zero cost. But for anyone actually watching, the result is weirder than ever. Those smiles don't reach the eyes and the scenes are too perfect to feel real. People notice and they look away. Another thing looking away is the trust. You can claim your product is good based on real customers' reviews, but when the face delivering it isn't real at all, viewers won't buy it. They'll question it. Even AI disclaimers in the corner of the screen can't erase the sense that someone is trying to trick them. Reddit is full of users calling out the lifeless performances. Sure, AI avatars are consistent, tireless, and risk-free. They won't age, won't post regrettable tweets, or demand a coffee break. But humans don't connect with them. We bond with quirks, stumbles, and small mistakes. Take that away, and all that's left is noise wearing a smile. That doesn't mean AI has no place. It can help personalize content, edit scripts, and test ideas, but it should support human storytelling, not replace it. People don't buy perfection, they buy authenticity, and no matter how flawless is the CGI jawline, nothing sells like a real smile that reaches the eyes. Do you agree with us? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.